over 6 feet, 2 meters tall. The first human settlers on these islands saw these giants alive and called them Moas. Among them were the tallest birds that ever existed, a dozen different species of varying size and weight. Up on the high moorlands, there were smaller species with thicker feathers to keep them warm. The absence of mammals didn't mean that the Moas had no enemies. They were hunted by, of course, another bird. It was able to tackle even the biggest Moa. Its talons were certainly long enough to stab right through a Moa's flesh and into its pelvis, as some of the bones show.